Hey guys, my name is Luke, and today we're going to be reviewing water fountains.
What's up, guys? This is the main building water fountain, and it's looking a little bit better. Still a little bit of rust and some crumbs, but now for the taste test. Philip, come here. I think that means it's pretty good. This is the G building water fountain, boys bathroom water fountain. And it looks pretty good. There's a little bit of water residue, as usual. And fill up. Five out of 5, Jacob Freeman's. And this is the lobby water fountain. And from what I can see, there's a huge piece of lint on here. And it's pretty rusty as well. Philip, taste test? It's really good. I'd give that about a 4 out of 5 Fortnite figures.
Okay.
Hey guys, this is the C building.
Yeah.
Each building.
Yeah.
A building.
And this is one of the water fountains. First few observations, kind of rusty. There's a ramen noodle in here. Philip, you can come in and taste test. Weak stream. Give this one a rating about 2 out of 5 Jacob Freeman's.
Overall, they're pretty good. Right, Philip?
Yeah!
And yeah, come back next week for toilet reviews. That's all,